Here we have a SAT math problem. Okay, let's go to the question. The table gives two values of x and their corresponding values of g of x, where g of x equals to f of x positive 5 over x positive 8, and f is a linear function. What is the y-coordinate of the y-intercept of the graph of y equals to f of x in the xy plane? Okay, using the given information, we have to find the y-coordinate of the y-intercept of the linear function f. Since f is a linear function, it can be written in slope-intercept form, that is f of x equals to mx positive b. Okay, when we write a linear function in slope-intercept form, that is in the form mx positive b, the constant b over here gives the y-coordinate of the y-intercept. So here we have to find the value of this constant b. Since we have f of x equals to mx positive b, we can plug in this stuff for f of x over here. Then we get g of x equals to mx positive b positive 5 divided by x positive 8. Now we can use the two values of x and the corresponding values of g of x and the function g of x over here in Desmos to get the value of b. Okay, let's give these 2 points as input over here in Desmos. Let's click on positive sign table. So the first point is 4, 9 and the second point is 2, 0. Okay, here I have given these 2 points of the function g of x as input. Now we have to give this function g of x as input over here. When I give this function g of x as input in Desmos, instead of g of x, I have to use the y1 we have over here, and for equal sign we have to use tilde sign, and for x over here and here we have to use x1 that we have over here. Okay, now let me give the function g of x as input, y1, that is y subscript 1, and then we have to take a tilde sign, then m times x1, let me take a subscript 1, positive b positive 5, and it has to be divided by x1, let me take x1, positive 8. Okay, here I got the value of b, that is negative 1 and 13. Already we know that this b gives the y-coordinate of the y-intercept of the linear function f of x. So it is negative 1 and 13.